Come here.
That?
It's an airplane.
That's the airplane.
Come here, Avery. Come here, Avery. I'm gonna get you. You better come here so I can get you. I'm gonna get Paisley. Come here. Take it off.
Huh?
Just take it off. There you go. You got it. All right. Good job. Come here, Avery. I'm gonna get you.
No.
You don't want me to get you? Come here. Come here. You better come closer. You gotta come closer so I can get you.
Whoa.
Paisley. Well. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I didn't even get you yet. Come here, Avery, so I can get you. Easy, not too close to Paisley. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. Hey, you better come here. You better come here. I'm trying to get my phone. Easy.
See? You sit down and don't fly me, okay?
Okay.
Mommy, you sitting down? That's a good girl.
Yeah, Remy and Sadie are both sitting down like good girls, aren't they?
Mommy, give me. Mommy, again.
Where are you?
Whoa.
There's a little flower in here. Paisley, Avery.
Mommy, you said like a big skirt?
Easy, Avery. I need to get stuff done. I can just throw y'all in the pen.
Huh?
When I need to get stuff done, I can just throw y'all in the pen, huh? Paisley! Hey, don't hit her. Avery, don't pick her up.
Whoa! Whoa! Don't water me again.
You don't let me.
Whoa! Mom, water me again.
You're not letting me. You gotta come closer. You're back? Okay, I'll let Paisley stand up and then I'll get you. Come here. Avery, come here. You gotta come closer. Come here. Here, you have to touch my finger. Whoa. That was cool. Careful, Avery. Don't get too close. Avery.
I just fall down. Follow me again. I'm gonna touch your finger.
Touch my finger.
Get out of here.
I'm gonna touch your finger.
Okay, you gotta get closer. Come here.
Can't get in.
Paisley, careful. Woo. Avery, do you like your birthday present? You tell Daddy thank you for building it for you. Tell Daddy thank you for building you. You're sweaty.
I'm sweaty, Mama.
You are. You haven't been jumping very long. Avery, how old will you be? You'll be 3? And Avery will be, or Paisley will be 1?
And Avery will be 3.
Yeah. Whoa.
My birthday party, whoa. Me again. I'll touch.
Stop.
Yeah, I'll touch your finger.
You will? Well, come here. I hope I got that.
Watch out.
Want me again?